Ever felt the thrill of exploring a zoo after sunset? Wants to spend some time with the wild creatures at night? Yes, you heard it right. When in Singapore, you can do it, as Singapore is home to the world's first night safari of zoo. There are many other hot attractions along with night safari like Birds Paradise, Singapore Zoo, River Wonder in Mandai Wildlife Reserve, Singapore. Hello guys, welcome to our channel RoboBits. In this video today, we will explore all the major attractions and find out which ones should be must visit. Mandai Wildlife Reserve is home to world-renowned wildlife parks which connect visitors to the fascinating world of wildlife, a world where people and wildlife thrive together with a team of passionate wildlife professionals that look after all the aspects of caring for the living collection. So, you are definitely going to enjoy one of the best of Asian zoos today. Birds Paradise is the largest and most diverse birds park in Asia. It is home to over 3,500 birds from more than 400 species, making it the largest and most diverse birds park in Asia. You can enjoy interactive experiences with the birds such as feeding and bird shows at Sky Amphitheatre. On your visit to Birds Paradise Singapore, you can enjoy the captivating presentations that showcase the talents of their feeder friends. Accompanied by their trainers, the birds demonstrate a range of impressive skills, which is for sure quite surprising. You can go for a feeding session with the animal. It is a unique opportunity to get up close with the birds during their feeding sessions. The feeding sessions are available on a first come first serve basis. It is encouraged to book online and arrive at least 15 minutes before the feeding time. This attraction provides an educational and immersive experience that is sure to delight bird lovers of all ages. For kids, X Plus is a family-friendly wonderland where kids can have a splashing good time. The egg-themed playground features various wet play zones with water slides, sprays, shallow pools for children to enjoy. Nestled between Singapore Zoo and Night Safari, the River Wonders is both a river-themed zoo and aquarium. It is home to one of the world's largest collection of freshwater vertebrates with over 11,000 animal specimens representing close to 260 species as well as 400 plant species. The park highlights the wonders of tropical freshwater ecosystems and the need to protect them. You can explore Amazon River Quest ride, wildlife experience over there. We did Amazon River Quest where you go for a boat ride and get enthralled by the sights and sounds of animal species that hail from the Amazon. On this 15-minute ride, this cruise travels along the perimeter of the Singapore Zoo and the night safari area which borders the reservoir. For me, the ride experience was quite average, but in case you are traveling with kids and elders, they are definitely going to enjoy it. During this ride, you get chance to meet tiger, flamingos, giant panda and many other threatened primates. In Indian food, the option is very low or near to no as well, so I would suggest to carry some packed food as per your choice. To transit from one source to other, there is tram going on frequently inside the reservoir. They also do provide wheelchairs for elders free of cost. The Singapore Zoo is a heaven for wondrous wildlife and a must visit for all the animal lovers. Set in the lush greenery of Lion City, the Singapore Zoo is renowned worldwide for its highest standard of commitment to conservation and animal care. Singapore Zoo is world-famous naturalistic exhibits that offer many opportunities to experience the wonders of wildlife with more than 4,200 animals of over 300 species. The zoo is famous for its world-leading free-ranging orangutan exhibit. No doubt, Singapore Zoo is one of the best rainforest zoos in the world. The park has various geographical zones of the world, including the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia rainforest, and Himalayan foothills. The night safari has several interactive performance activities such as Creatures of the Night, which is an interactive animal presentation and it features various nocturnal animals such as owls, raccoons, pangolin, porcupine, and many others. The jungle comes to life in the night when animals freely walk around and explore the free roaming environment in the moonlight and in the specially designed lighting for Singapore Night Safari. It is an open air area in a humid tropical forest that is closed in the daytime and opens only in the night. For visiting Singapore Night Safari, you can take the express tram ride, which takes you across all the geographical zones of the park with live commentary about each of those animals that you will see there. In this park, the animals are separated from other animals with natural barriers, not from the zoo-like cages. Every animal in the park have their own space to roam around freely with the help of metal sheet grills, which is helping them to stay away from neighbor animals. With this, our Mandai Wildlife Reserve visit comes to end today. Let me know your favorite out of all in today's video. For me, the hero is Bart's Paradise.